Question number 3. We want to solve the inequality and then write the final answer in interval notation. So here we have the inequality, negative 1/2 x, which is less than or equal to negative 9/4 plus 4/5 x. So since this problem contains fractions, we want to first find out what is the LCD between all the denominators, which is 2, 4, and then 5. We know that 2 is a factor of 4, so then 4 and 5, the LCD between 4 and 5 is going to be 20. So we're first going to multiply the inequality, or each term, by the LCD. Now keep in mind that we have 3 terms that we need to multiply it by. So we have 20. We're going to multiply that by negative 1/2 x less than or equal to 20 times negative 9/4 plus 20 times 4/5 x. Now keep in mind that this 20 is all over 1, which is going to allow us to be able to eliminate that denominator. So we know that 2 is going to go into 20 10 times. So we have 10 times negative 1x less than or equal to 4 is going to go into 20 5 times. So we have 5 times negative 9 plus 5 goes into 20 4 times. So that's 4 times 4x. Number 4, we're going to multiply everything out. So we're going to get negative 10x, which is less than or equal to negative 45, and then plus 16x. Now we want to isolate the x on one side of the inequality. So we're going to subtract 16x to both sides. So we have negative 26x, which is less than or equal to negative 45. And now we want to solve for x. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 26. And recall that if we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative, that means we need to flip the inequality. So x is going to be greater than or equal to positive 45/26. Again, the question is asking us to write this in interval notation. So what will help us is if we graph, so we can figure out what that interval notation looks like. So here we can say, here's 45/26. And since it's greater than or equal to, we're going to have a bracket, and it's going towards positive infinity. So therefore, our interval notation starts at a bracket, and that number at that bracket is 45/26, going towards positive infinity.